10 Essential Laboratory Safety Rules Everyone Must Know. Lab Safety SOPs explained. A single mistake in the laboratory can put not only an experiment at risk but also someone's health or even their life. If you're a student, microbiologist, laboratory technician, or healthcare professional, this video is for you. I'm Hajra, a microbiologist, and today we'll explore the 10 most important laboratory safety rules that every lab professional should know and follow. 1. Always wear personal protective equipment, PPE. Lab coat, gloves, face mask, safety goggles. PPE is your first line of defense against hazardous chemicals, infectious microorganisms, and other laboratory hazards. Wearing the appropriate PPE significantly reduces the risk of exposure and contamination. 2. Never eat or drink in the laboratory. Food and beverages can easily become contaminated with hazardous chemicals or infectious agents. To protect yourself and maintain a safe laboratory environment, never eat, drink, or store food inside the laboratory. 3. Label all samples correctly. Every laboratory sample should be clearly labeled with the patient ID, collection date, and test details. Incorrect labeling can lead to inaccurate results, delayed treatment, or even misdiagnosis. 4. Practice proper hand hygiene. Even if you are wearing gloves, always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water after completing laboratory work. Proper hand hygiene helps prevent contamination and the spread of harmful microorganisms. 5. Dispose of sharps safely. Never throw needles, blades, or other sharp objects into a regular trash bin. Always dispose of them in an approved sharps container to prevent injuries, infections, and accidental exposure. 6. Dispose of biohazard waste properly. Contaminated gloves, culture plates, specimen tubes, and other infectious materials must always be disposed of in designated biohazard waste containers to prevent contamination and protect laboratory personnel. 7. Never perform mouth pipetting. Mouth pipetting is strictly prohibited in modern laboratories because it can expose you to dangerous chemicals and infectious microorganisms. Always use a pipette aid or a micropipette for safe liquid handling. 8. Never ignore laboratory spills. If a chemical or biological spill occurs, immediately follow your laboratory's standard operating procedures, SOPs. Use the appropriate disinfectant or spill kit to clean the area safely and prevent contamination. 9. Know the location of emergency equipment. Fire extinguisher, eye wash station, first aid kit, emergency exit. During an emergency, preparation is far more valuable than panic. Always know the location of emergency equipment and understand how to use it before an accident occurs. 10. Follow standard operating procedures, SOPs. Every laboratory has its own standard operating procedures, SOPs. Following these guidelines is essential for ensuring accurate results, maintaining laboratory safety, and minimizing the risk of errors and accidents. Conclusion. Laboratory safety is more than just following rules, it's the foundation of becoming a responsible scientist. Whether you're a future microbiologist, medical student, laboratory technician, or researcher, always remember that safe laboratory practices protect not only you but everyone around you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BioTalk with Hajra for more science-based health and microbiology content. Also, press the notification bell so you'll be the first to receive our latest educational videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.